Hey guys, welcome to the School of Rockstars. Yes, it's Rockstar time, and today I want to help Debbie to save her Instagram live, like a loving Debbie. I know her through Instagram, and today she did an interview with Cyrus Webb, a TV and radio personality, and like I want to make this small video like how to download IG Instagram live video onto your laptop. So for that what I use like this these Chrome extensions. So Google Chrome extensions. You can search for these. Wait, it's not showing up. I use this Chrome IG Story. So you can search for Chrome IG Story extension on Google and you can add to your Google Chrome. Then it will show up in the top. So when you click it, and why it is showing me all this, because I signed up to my Instagram on my laptop, so that's why it is showing me all those. So I can use my Instagram on laptop, so that's why when I open this IG story thing, it is showing me all the content. Like it will show you your like the persons who I am following you. I'm following them. So these three persons are doing live videos right now, and these are all like Evan Carmichael did live video 1 hour ago, and Doug and Mike Show did live video 3 hours ago, David Melzer 3 hours ago. So here I'm here to download Cyrus Webb and Debbie's live video. So when you click on that, so Cyrus, he did 2 live videos today, Instagram lives today. So the second one is the loving Debbie's. So when I click this one, it will save
Hello everyone and welcome to
it will save the audio version of their interview. And also the thing is that it will save the audio and video separately. So if you can combine it in your editor. So I downloaded it, the audio version of the interview, and for the video, when I click this one, it will show up this. So it will show us the audio, sorry, video. And so you can click the download. Yes, these two, this is the audio file and this is the video file. This is how I do lots of Instagram live videos. I used to do, but uh, I am facing some lag issues, audio and video issues with the Instagram live. So that's why I stopped doing Instagram lives, and I'm using Zoom to do all my interviews. And right now, I want to give a small surprise to Debbie. So I want to edit this interview and give her a small surprise. So for that, what I will do is Canva, Canva, and so I want to make a small background for that video. So that's why I'm using Canva. So for that, um, so this is the actual background I use for my interviews. Okay, should I use the same one? Yes, let's go ahead and I'll make a copy of it. And what I will do is here I'll put a Cyrus web picture. So wait, Cyrus web, yes. So I want to get his picture. For that, or else wait, Cyrus, yes, he is a great personality. He interviews like great Hollywood people, singers, actors. So I want to have his picture. Wait, I'm seeing all his videos, but I want like individual picture of him. So what I can do is, yes, this is, um, so I can use this picture. So Cyrus Web. So what I'll do is I will upload to my thing. I think it's here. Yes. So it will show up here. Or else what can I do? Cyrus Web, like I'll go to his website to get his picture. Okay, I didn't find that. What I'll do is I'll take out this like what I'll use this Conversations Live. I think his show name is Conversations Live. So Conversations Live. So here I'm gonna use Loving Debbie. So she's the one. Debbie Ortiz. And her Instagram channel is this one. So I will download this background. So um, so I want to 398,780. 398. So this is the audio version and 36539. This is the video version of it, and I'll take the audio version and I'll put the video version here, and I I will extend this.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to this. And welcome. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this. Again, if you're just now finding out about Love and Deb, you guys will be story with our audience.
Would happen because me in bondage and chains, and I was ashamed about my weight loss, and then just her.
So I think it is ending here.
Yeah. And I think it's a great reminder, Deb, for all of us to make sure that we're sorry to represent. Make sure you guys join us next time. You all make it.
So that's it. And I'm done with the editing of the video. So what I'll do is I will export. So here, loving Deb interview with Cyrus Webb. That's it. Just click export and it will start converting. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining me.